Welcome to my sink. Today I'm going to show you guys how to affordably clean your makeup brushes. This is what I use. This is called Zote. Boop. It's just pink laundry detergent. You can get it at Walmart. You can get it on Amazon. It ranges from $1 to $5. So this is super inexpensive. It has a slight lemon scent, but nothing too overpowering. And there's coconut oil in this, so it's going to moisturize your brushes on top of cleaning them. They also have a white bar and a blue bar, depending on sensitivity. I just picked up the pink one. It's a pretty color too. I just keep it in this little container because it comes in a paper kind of packaging. So obviously you can't really leave it in there because this gets all wet. I'm gonna place the soap up here, then we're gonna grab our brushes, dip it into the water just to get it a little bit damp, and then I'm just gonna swirl my brush on the soap. Just swirl it around in my hand so you can get deep into the bristles, and so that all the makeup is removed. And I swirl it into the water, and I just keep going back and forth. Voila! Clean brush. And then I just make sure that I shape it and get all the water out, and then I'll place it on a towel. It cleans it so well. I love this stuff. And then I just shape it and place it in a towel. Make sure you shape it, because if you don't, it's going to dry however it's left, and you don't want your bristles to be all messed up. I squeegee it out during the cleaning process just to make sure there's no more makeup in there. And what's nice about this soap is that you can use it on any kind of brush. It doesn't matter which kind. It works on all kind of bristles. You could just see how clean the soap makes your brushes. I just love it. And you just leave them overnight and they dry. They look brand new. It's crazy. I recommend this soap. And it's super affordable, which I really appreciate. It ranges from $1 to $5, and it lasts for so long because this thing is so big. And then I just lay them on a towel like this. You want to make sure that you keep them either flat or dried down, because if you dry it like this, the water will seep into the glue of the brush and you could have your bristles come apart. That is how I clean my brushes. I love that soap. It makes it really fast and easy. If you fill up your sink, you can do it super quick, and it takes no time. So thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure that you subscribe, and until next time, I will talk to you guys later.